Let's take a look at this watt meter. It's a simple tool that helps you figure out what it really costs to run things around your house. And in the box, you'll find the meter itself, a little reset pin, and an instruction sheet. Now, before using it, you'll want to know how much you actually pay for electricity. So grab your electric bill and look for the total amount of electricity used. That will usually be displayed in kilowatt hours or kWh. Then find the total amount you were charged. Don't worry about all the extra line items like fuel adjustment and taxes. Just look for the total at the bottom because that's what you actually pay. Now take that total cost and divide it by the number of kilowatt hours. That gives you your cost per kWh. And on my bill, that works out to about 12 cents per kWh. Now I can plug that information into the meter and plug my refrigerator in it and let it run for a while. And after about 21 hours, the meter shows that the fridge used roughly 18 cents worth of electricity. And that's roughly 20 cents a day to run my refrigerator. You can use this tool on just about any device in your home that runs on 120 volts. It's a handy way to see where your energy is going. Thanks for watching.